Here's a complete, beginner-friendly guide to set up a fax machine on an HP printer. Works for most HP OfficeJet, OfficeJet Pro, and LaserJet All-in-One models. What you need before setup. Before you begin, make sure you have a working landline phone connection. Fax does not work over VoIP alone. A telephone cable RJ11, your HP printer powered on, paper loaded in the tray, ink or toner installed properly. Step 1. Connect the phone line to the printer. Take the telephone cable. Plug one end into the wall phone jack. Plug the other end into the port labeled 1, L-I-N-E on your HP printer. If you use a telephone, plug the phone into the port labeled 2XT on the printer. Do not plug the phone line into ETH/USB port by mistake. Step 2. Run Fax Setup Wizard on HP printer. On the printer control panel, touch Setup. Select Fax Setup. Tap Fax Configuration Wizard. Enter your name, your fax number. Choose tone dialing recommended. Let the printer auto-detect fax connection. This automatically applies best fax settings for your area. Step 3. Test the fax line. Load one. 2 blank pages in the scanner. Dial a test fax number or friend's fax. Press Send Fax. If the test goes through, fax is ready. Recommended fax settings important. After setup, adjust these for best performance. Setting. Recommended. Rings to answer. 3. 5 rings. Fax speed. Medium. Error correction mode ECM. On. Automatic redial. On. Common fax setup problems and quick fixes. Fax not sending/receiving. Check landline is active. Make sure cable is in 1. LINE disable VoIP or digital phone adapter. Reduce fax speed to medium or slow. Fax says no dial tone. Try a different phone cable. Plug phone directly into wall to confirm dial tone. Fax prints blank pages. Clean scanner glass. Load paper properly. Check ink levels. Pro tips. Always use a landline, not Wi-Fi calling or mobile adapters. Avoid using fax during thunderstorms. Keep fax speed on medium for long documents. If you want, tell me your exact HP printer model, and I'll give you